game tayo guys, squid game. Yung lure natin guys, oh. Yung mga color. Ay, squid game guys. Lilit lang. Muntika na guys, may huli na tayo guys. Ayan guys, squid on na tayo guys, squid on. Alright guys, ayan guys, oh. Hindi lang masyadong malaki guys. Alright, squid on. Isa na. One down na tayo guys, one down. Right? Apoy, di na. Gapon na ganito gapon, siyam ko po ito. Naida. Siya na. Balik lang. Ah, lagi gira. Para. Ako jutay. Ayan guys, squid on tayo guys. Lungot guys, sa medyo good size na lukos guys. Alright guys, ayan guys. Ayawa. Pangalawa na to guys, oh. Guys, tara guys, pangalawa na guys, oh. Alright. Second catch. Dasa na na diaron. Alright guys, pangalawa na. Lugaw. Tara guys. Tara guys. Ito guys, malaki-laki guys. Malaki-laki guys. Ayan guys. Alright. Ayan guys, pangatlo ito guys. Ayan guys, alright guys. Pangatlo na guys. Third kites guys. Oh, pangatlo na, pangatlo. Alright. Swerte tayo ngayon guys. Gasel ako na di ako la. Bukwak mo ko ni gata yun. Okay, wala. Tapos na siya bubukwak guys. Okay guys, pangatlo na guys. Third catch. Nice third. Ito guys. Malaki ito guys. Ayan guys. Malaki ito guys. Ayan guys. Ayan guys. Alright guys. Laki na squid guys. Ayan guys. Oh, ang laki. Wow. Good size kay guys. Ang laki. Patay. Woohoo. Ang laki guys. Oh. Ah, alright. Ayan guys. Malaki guys, malaki talaga guys. Dua pa yung kabuk-ibukod. Ayan guys, oh. Grabe ang laki guys. Ah, 4 na huli natin guys. Or squid. Tura. Dako. 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 Bro. Tura. Oh, dito naman. Kita ba? Yun naman kung ano, no? Tara. Guys. Alright. Kuha ang malaki guys. Nasa gilid lang guys. Ito po, noy. Alright guys, oh, gamay yan. Guys, alright. Pang-5 na to guys. Pang-5, bugwak, pung. Oh. Gamay no. Oh, gamay.
Gamay oh. Bal. Gamay no.
Ayan ang lure na sakalam natin guys. So, Yamato lure 2.0 grams. Ayan ang huli niya guys. Oh. Ang daming squid. Aha, malalaki guys, good size. Alright, lipat tayo guys. Alright guys, ayan, Wednesday morning guys. Harvest mode naman tayo ng squid guys, with good size. Alright, thank you Lord.